Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs from the sides like this and fix it on the right side. Now take small section of the hairs, roll it and put it upward like this. Make the plaits on all the hairs and fold it upward and fix it on the left side and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs and tie it on the top. Now rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, join it on the back and rotate it. Make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and rotate it. Now tie all the hairs together like this. Fold the hairs upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on one side by making the plaits like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides. Now make the plaits on the other side as well. Make the bun by folding it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Now take small section of the hairs from the sides and using this bun making tool, we will fix the hairs like this one by one. Join them, make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it and fold it upward. Now divide the hairs again and fix it over the bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides and fix it on the back. Rotate the hairs like this. Divide the hairs and then rotate the hairs from the between. Fold it upward and fix it. Now make the plaits and fix it and it's ready.